In 2009, I was expecting my son Ace, man. I went into the Nike outlet and I was able to cop these Air Force Ones, these Kobe Bryant Air Force Ones for the low, man. Y'all see the 24 on the tongue, super detailed, Mamba logo right there. You know, purple and gold joints. Fast forward 2024, and I was able to cop my pair of Kobe Bryant Air Force Ones early for retail. Let's unbox these things.
I'm so glad I was spared, like the very last pair. When you walk into the mall and you think they ain't there, so you say a little prayer. You don't wanna be so vain, but if I get them in my hands, I'll give them.
Hey, what it is, everybody? Welcome back to the channel. It is your boy Truth, and today we will be unboxing and we will be talking about the upcoming release, an early look of the Air Force One Low Kobe Bryant, man. These things are extremely fire. A lot of detail on these things, and we're gonna get up into every last bit of them. The release date is slated for December 6th, so I will be doing an on feet look for you guys also closer to the release date. But before we get into this content, man, make sure you guys go ahead and hit that subscribe button for your boy. I would greatly appreciate it. We are almost at 20K, less than 500, man, and I appreciate each and every one of you guys. Now, this was a sneaker that I was able to pick up from City Gear. So y'all know me, I really want to go out there and try to get sneakers early to review and stuff like that. So this was nonetheless no different, but because they did have pairs at City Gear, I was able to cop a pair early for retail. So I'm pretty sure they all dried up now, so good luck trying to go out there. So now we're gonna have to wait for their official release date of December 6th. But let's go ahead and get an up close and personal of these sneakers because it's got some crazy details on it. All right, so starting with the box like we always do, you have a premium box right here. You have a white Kobe box. It has the reptilian skins on it, as you guys can see right there as the light shows you guys. It has a gold Kobe logo on it. On this side we do have the Mamba logo right here. Then right here you see the size tag. You want to pause the video to legit check your pair or anything like that. That is what the size tag should look like. Going around the other side of the shoe, you have the Nike logo and the Mamba logo as well. As we open up this box, it's gonna hit you with the Mamba paper with the reptilian skin with the Mamba logo in gold. We do have an extra set of paper right here. It's gonna be a typical white paper. And then I don't think these things have a quality control sticker in them. Oh, they do. You do have that quality control sticker in them as well. So that is it for the box. All right, now as we take a look at these sneakers, it's a lot of detail on this thing. I'm gonna try to get every single one of them, and I'm just gonna let you know that I feel like these are a collector's piece. For memorabilia, if you're a Kobe fan, I don't like Air Force Ones. I don't own any Air Force Ones in my collection. But this pair, because of the things that they did implement onto the sneaker, I felt like I had to have it in my collection. So you probably won't see it on feet outside of the on feet inside the house that I'm going to do for you guys. But as we start with let's start with this. Let's do this. Let's go ahead and show you guys the back, because I want to show you guys the difference between the two. So as we look at the back end of them, as you guys can see right here, we have your standard Air Force One low, but on the upper you have a 8 on the left sneaker. As you guys can see right here, that was his number, the 8-ball Kobe, his earlier years. And then you have the Mamba logo that's on the other side. This leather, as you guys can see, that's on there is pretty good. It is not bad at all, man. It is some very good leather. It's going to be in that Laker yellow, and then you got the hints of the white going down as we have the yellow outsole on these things as well. Now let's go ahead and go to the right sneaker. As you guys can see, as we carry that around, we have this yellow Nike swoosh. The leather is pretty good on it, and it's shadowed or layered behind a purple Laker colorway Nike swoosh as well. You have your white leather, and like I said, the leather on it is not too bad, as you guys can see right there. As we continue around the sneaker, it continues with that white leather, and on the toe box we do have that Nike swoosh, purple Nike swoosh right there. It comes standard stock with white laces, but they also hit you with the purple and the gold colorway as well. I'm kind of thinking that depending on the jersey that you would wear, if it's a home or away colorway, that would dictate or determine what lace that you put in them. Really, any 3 of the laces would be dope in the sneaker. And then as we continue on up towards the tongue, the patch that says Nike Air Force One, and that's gonna be in that Lakers colorway. And then right up under there, I'm gonna try to show you guys, it does have Kobe Bryant's signature right there under that. And then as we go into the insole of the sneaker, as you guys can see right here, oh, just let me take the insole out. So as we take a look at the insole, your Lakers yellow colorway right here on the insole, it does have that Mamba logo size tag right there. I went true to size on these things, and I'm pretty sure they're gonna fit pretty good when it comes to Air Force Ones. White sock liner, as you guys can see. And then a super dope piece that I missed, as you guys can see right here on the back end. The Mamba logo is engraved into the sneaker. The pair that you see on the screen is going to be the black one, and it has the Mamba logo engraved everywhere on the leather, and those are going to be numbered. And that is the pair that everybody's saying that they want, of course, because they're numbered. But they're saying that that engraving should have been done on this one as well, which would have been a dope touch. But I do like the subtle engraving of the logo right there, just kind of to offset the other logo. But as we go to the bottom of the sneaker, as you guys can see, it's just that Lakers yellow on the bottom all the way around, and then you do have the Nike Air on there in the Lakers yellow as well. Looking at the left one, it's pretty much the exact same thing, outside of the fact, like I said, you got the 8 ball on the back of this, and it's like stitched like a jersey. The raised right here is super clean, super detailed when it came to that. And then on the insole as well, you just have the Mamba logo on them. So right here, another addition, I'm just gonna show you guys. The lace tips are just not the typical white. They're purple if they're gonna be on the white laces, and then they offset on yellow on the purple, and then they are purple on the yellow. On the inside of the sneaker, behind the tag that says Nike Air, you do have a Mamba logo that's behind there as well. So like I said, a lot of good details when it comes to this sneaker. I do like the way they executed them. I feel like this is a sneaker that, again, if you are a Kobe fan or you want to collect this piece, I feel like this is a dope sneaker to have. But that is it for the review. Let me go ahead and turn this camera around and close out this video. And that's all I got for you guys, man. Y'all comment down below and let me know, what are your thoughts and opinions on the Kobe Bryant Air Force One Low? Is this a colorway that you guys are gonna go after? Is this something that you guys like? I would love to hear what you guys have to say, but make sure you guys go ahead and hit that like button, comment down below. Y'all already know the sayings, man. Rock what you like, not what's hype. And remember, everything we talk about, including these Kobe's, are just bait. Wait for me to share my faith. I'm gonna catch y'all next video. Peace.
If they ready, we'll let you know if you should go and get them. We got fat, we got two, never slack on the brew for OGs and the youth. You can kick it with us too. KICKnology.